there foodies! Today we are making the ultimate flavor packed snack, the Snoop Dogg sandwich. Let's get cooking! Start with the 2 slices of bologna. Now, here's the trick. Make small cuts on each side like this. This keeps them from curling up while frying. Trust me, it's the secret to the perfect sizzle. Throw the bologna into a hot pan and let them sizzle until golden brown. You want that crispy edge action? Once they are looking just right, lay 2 slices of American cheese on top. Let that heat work its magic until the cheese is melty and gooey. This is where things start getting delicious. Don't rush it. Let the cheese do its things. Now grab your pan and add a half teaspoon of butter. Let it melt and spread around evenly. That buttery base is gonna take the sandwich to a whole new level. Drop in 2 slices of bread and toast them up until they are golden brown and crispy. That crunch. Oh, it's everything. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. We are aiming for perfection here. It's time to add some flavors. Spread a generous amount of mustard sauce on 1 slice of bread. This tangy kick ties the whole sandwich together. Next, carefully layer on your cheesy bologna slice. Oh yeah, look at the masterpiece coming together. Here's a game changer. Grab a handful of BBQ chips and pile them on top. That crunch is what makes this sandwich legendary. Now, crown it with the second slice of bread and boom, it's looking like a true work of art. And there you have it, the Snoop Dogg sandwich in all its glory. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more drool-worthy creations. Let me know what you think in the comments below.